Hello, so let me quickly show you one of the features that this tool can actually perform. And the feature I'm going to be showing in this video is the Google Map Data Extractor, whereby it's going to extract emails from Google Map on real time. Phone numbers, address, business names, and so on and so forth, even images, right? So all what you just need to do is to click on grab now. Once that is clicked, you need to click on this start right here. So from here you start inputting. Let me just increase the size of this so you can be able to see it well. Start now. You start inputting the search term, that is the business category and the location. So let me say let me use this. Let me use salon in Lagos, restaurant, or let me use coming, real estate in Abuja, right? Let me just remove this. Okay, well, let me leave the, but let me put the one for Lagos on top, because I want you guys to be able to see something that's still Nigeria kind of thing, you understand? But this actually works with any location in the world and any business category as well. So it will be starting with salon in Lagos. So let me just click on search, then it will automatically load my browser, whereby it will go to, so you can see it will automatically load my browser. Okay, so you can see it searched it automatically on Google Map, Salon in Lagos, and it's going to bring out the list, and you can see how long the list is. It will do everything automatically, going to the next automatically and extracting out the informations, right? So let me just leave this here. The next thing you just need to do is to select what you actually want to extract. Is it the images or is it the email ID? Anyone that has an email ID on their Google Map information, and also the phone number. So just go for the grab email ID for the purpose of this case, then click on start grabbing. So let me just come here and you see the magic is doing automatically right here. You can see the magic. It is moving from one page to another. You can see so it's moving from one page to another, and it's bringing out the name, the mobile numbers. You can see these are the mobile numbers. Even when you want to contact all these people, you want to pitch a particular project to them or a particular thing to them, see the rating. You can even if you want to use the service, you understand, you can be able to easily know their rating, their business categories. Look at it, their address as well. Look at it, and even those ones that have websites. Maybe you want to pitch them on website building, or some that doesn't have websites, you can also click them on website building. See the emails, those that have emails on their page. It's even extracted the closing hours and the, yeah, look at it, the closing hours right here, the Instagram profile. You can see there is their Instagram link is also there. Those that have Facebook links is there, and in case they have LinkedIn links on their Google Map as well, it's going to list it out. So you can see the magic. You can see how crazy this is. See how crazy it is. It is just moving and going, and this is how it works. Once everything is done, you can export the phone numbers only. You can import the number on your WhatsApp sender, which is this software as well. It sends WhatsApp in bulk and auto rotates different WhatsApps together, so you can import the phone numbers and send your marketing to them. You can also export everything, every information that you have right here, export it on your computer. You understand? You can see how reasonable that is. And if you are okay with what you have, you can click on stop, and if you want it to keep continuing, you can see how it's doing by itself. It's even still on page 1. That's crazy. You can see that it's extracting a lot of details. Look at, let me just leave the cursor and let's see how it's expanding everything. See how it's expanding the business hours. You can see how it's expanding everything. So that is how it scrolls the whole thing. You can see how it's moving from one map to another in the same Lagos. Anything that deals with salon, either beauty salon, hair salon. If you want it to be more specific to beauty salon, make sure you are specific in your search term. Right? Look at it. Very, very, very wonderful. Very, very wonderful. Very, very wonderful. And I'm not clicking anything right here. It's already on Tao Pay Salon. I think, okay, it's done with that already. It will move to the next one automatically. It will move to the next one automatically. That's crazy. You can see Heritage Hub. Heritage Hub. You can even do the one for grab images, in case you want to grab all these images that you can see on their pages. You can see all these images right here. If that is what you want to download out, or the link, it can do that as well. But mostly those that are into marketing or website design or anything digital or even physical, you understand, the reason why you can actually use this for your physical business, to pitch your physical business, is that the locations has to be where you know you can reach. You understand? Let me say you are in your states and you want to pitch your service, your physical service, to people that are in the salon business, or people that are in the real estate business, or any business at all. You just go ahead, do the search. It's going to extract all their phone numbers out. You can do bulk SMS to them. You can also do bulk WhatsApp messaging to them. You can see how wonderful that is. And the funniest thing is that it will have the name of their businesses. You can see right here, this is the name of their businesses, so it won't look as if it's a cold messaging. So they will know that, okay, this person wants to talk about business, and this person has made enough research on our business. And you can even, in your pitching, you can even include their address. Is this so salon at so place? They will be like, okay, this person this person already knows us. Probably this person has come to our office before, even if you have not gotten there before, right? And even their website, look at it right here. Can even mention their Instagram handle, if in case the person actually has the Instagram handle. So you can see how wonderful that is. So that is how crazy this tool is. You can use it for so many things, both digital and physical promotion of your business. It's so crazy, so crazy. And this should be what you should have a team, or maybe you should actually sit on this year. Like, you should sit on for your marketing, right? You should sit on for your marketing. It can be your state, you can do it for outside states, even those people that are into inverter installation and so on and so forth. Most of these businesses needs all these things. You can pitch it to them. You can pitch it to them. Pitch your service to them. You understand? So it's a game of numbers. The more people you pitch to, the more projects you get. And this has made it very easy for you, in the sense that you can get the information once, like in bulk. So it's not that you're actually going on Google Map one after the other, copying their phone number one after the other. That won't be making sense, right? So you can see we have all the numbers right here, everything listed, and that is really crazy. This is why I decided to leave this for long. You can see we are on page 3 already, and it's even going more than page 10 because it has next. It's even going more than page 10, and this is just in Lagos alone, right? And even you can be more specific. If it's Lagos in Lekki, you can put Lekki there. You understand? You can be more specific. It's going to do the job. You understand it? That's a crazy tool right there. That's a crazy. So it is left to you to actually make use of this and improve your business in 2025. It is so much left to you, and this works for any location, any search term, any business, or whatsoever, right? It works for any search term, anything at all. And even when it's done with, you can put multiple search terms, like the way I did the other time. When it's done with the first search, you can see it is still processing our first search. So once it's done with the first search, it will go to the second search, start searching the second one, and still adding it up. You should go to the third one. So now you can even cover up series of businesses at a time, and it's even putting the categories of business right here. You can see, you'll be able to know that this one is actually an hair salon, this one is a beauty salon, hairdresser in so, and that's crazy and wonderful, right? So I'm going to be stopping it right here so I can show you the next thing to do. So let me click on stop. So once you click on stop, let us see what's going to happen here. So it will start processing on how to stop the whole action, right? So you will notice that it's not trying to extract anything anymore, right? So it has stopped the whole process automatically. So you can see the number of data that we're able to extract within few minutes. And what do? If you want all this information, what you can do, one of the things you can do is to export on your file manager on your computer, right? You can export them on your computer. Just click on export and it's going to load. So you can see right here, Gmap data, and I can just put a tag in front for saloon in Lagos, right? So that I can be able to identify what it is. You can see file downloaded successfully, and you can also import the numbers on your bulk SMS. You can also export numbers only to your file. That is, all these numbers alone will be what is going to extract. Another thing is that all these websites, those people that has websites, you can see right here, those people that has websites, you can also decide to get more information on their website. That is, maybe they have emails on their website, so you can import all websites in web email mobile extractor. So this web email mobile extractor is part of this tool. You understand? It's parts of this tool. So it's making things very easy. So if I click on it, it will automatically transport all these website link into the place, into the tool, which is already inbuilt. It's not that you need to install another tool. That is why this tool is very powerful and very cool, right? So you can also import numbers. If I say I want to do my bulk this thing with them, let me just click on import numbers. You will see what's going to happen. So you can see these are all the numbers right here. So crazy. These are all the numbers right here. I can add my messages, message 1, message 2, message 3, message 4, that is, so that it can auto rotate messages. So the same message will not just be send it to one person. I can add a button whereby they will click on a button, you understand, perhaps to take them to my website or to send me a message or whatsoever, you understand. So, and I can also add more accounts. You can say I have one account added already, so I can add unlimited number of WhatsApp accounts to auto rotate, you understand. So that is it. All right, that is how to use the tool. Bye.